Hello everyone and welcome back to Florence. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the very city center in Via dei Servi, one of the most central streets in between Piazza del Duomo, which is right behind me, and on the other side we find Piazza Santissima Annunziata. On this beautiful street we find several restaurants, services and shops, and the palazzo we are going to tour today. Palazzo Buontalenti, once owned by the famous architect, engineer and artist Bernardo Buontalenti, which interestingly also invented the Italian gelato. The property is on the Piano Nobile, which is the noble floor and the first floor of the palazzo. It is the floor with the highest ceilings, fully decorated and with the most light. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The common areas, as you can see, are in excellent condition. They have been fully restored. There is terracotta floor all over. Beautiful pietra serena stone details, like for example the steps and details around, which is a typical stone from Florence, Tuscany. And then as you look up, you will notice these original arches, tall ceilings and natural light from the internal courtyard. Let's now go to the first floor, the noble floor, and see the apartment. Welcome inside the apartment. It is 220 square meters with 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms and 2 powder rooms. The property has been completely restored recently. As you can see, all of the historical elements have been brought out and has been also modernized with beautiful finishes and modern furnishings. The property is turnkey and it is sold with all of the furnishings and the curtains and everything that you see in the video. This is important to mention because an historical property like this undergoes years of works and permits that need to be obtained for the restoration. So having it turnkey is really an added value that is difficult to find. The apartment begins with this beautiful, broad and tall hallway, which welcomes you in this reception area. There are these carpets and underneath a perfectly done parquet floor. There is all of these trimmings and details on the walls, which make it very elegant and very sophisticated. The apartment through this door can be connected to a second unit which is also for sale. So one can decide to either purchase this unit, which has 2 bedrooms, or to purchase both units, and in total you would have 4 bedrooms and double the spaces. In the case of the sale, this door will be closed. Next to the entrance hallway, we will find the kitchen on the left that I will show you shortly. As we keep going, we find a service bathroom over here, fully equipped with shower and brand new. The living room is full of natural light. There are these 2 huge windows right behind me. It is nice and broad with double height ceilings and coffered ceilings made out of wood right above. The property is fully equipped with brand new air conditioning. There are radiators and it is very well insulated both for heat and cold. As you can see, this is the sitting area. The furnishings have been done in the whole apartment in line in the same style. If this couch is converted into a bed, it would have its own bathroom that we've just seen with shower, so it becomes nearly an ensuite. Otherwise, with this current setup, we have a beautiful sitting area. We have a large dining table over here made out of glass with these modern chairs. The curtains are also very beautiful and match the details on the carpet, and as well these chandeliers. I just wanted to point out an important detail. The doors and windows are fully original and they are beautifully made. This has been handmade with hardwood and they are being fully restored. The glass is original because, as you can see, these frames are made out of lead, and the central parts are made out of handmade glass, and the colors as well. These have been kept in the traditional way, but also modernized. In fact, 2 layers of additional new glass have been added on the 2 sides, keeping the center as it was. This way, it is traditional, but has been also modernized and perfectly insulates the spaces. Additionally, the mechanism is original. It would lift up the full window like this. Instead of locking it, as you can see, it lifts. This window door opens to 1 out of the 5 only balconies on this whole street. It is nice and long, and you can see how well you can admire the Duomo of Florence on this side. From the living area, we pass directly onto the primary bedroom. As you can see, it has some incredible proportions, both in width, in length, and in height, with these double height ceilings, the highest in the whole building. On the ceiling, we can notice all of these beautiful decorations which have been restored and are in excellent condition. The bedroom is full of natural light thanks to these huge windows, which are original. The wood is fully original, they are handmade, but they have been restored, installing double glazed glasses which keep the room temperature perfect. We're back at the entrance hallway. We've seen the living area, the bathroom, the main bedroom. Now we're gonna see the kitchen on my left side. Through this part over here, there is a sliding door to optimize spaces. Here is the kitchen. As you can see, it is brand new and has never been used before. There is a stone-like top with working areas, sink, gas top over there. In the first section, we find a spacious fridge, completely brand new, still with all the stickers. Then we find storage below. This is the dishwasher, also here brand new. Then on top we find more storage. This is the extractor which goes outside, and additional storage in the end. The kitchen is equipped also with a nice dining table over here. Since there also is a dining table in the living area, this could also be removed, or one could install a second part of the kitchen over here if one likes. But as it is now, it is very efficient and well made. Through this door over here, we find the private internal terrace of the apartment, which is in the internal courtyard. So the building is so large that it has an internal courtyard for light coming from the inside, making sure both from the outside and the inside there is natural light. And this little terrace has been created, which is excellent to have a coffee in the morning or even keep some plants. Right in front of the kitchen, we have another door which connects to a lower level with a mezzanine. This is a service space because there is a powder room with the attachment for a laundry machine, and also an additional room for all of the systems of the apartment, which are brand new. As we keep going, we find the second bedroom, which can be communicating with the other bedroom because there is this door over here which connects them. The ceilings are beautifully tall with double height ceilings. We are on the Piano Nobile, so the highest floors in the building. They are beautifully decorated with frescoes, and also here we find very nice proportions. The ensuite bathroom, which is detailed with this boiserie all around. And the bathroom is divided into 2 sections. There is one here in the middle, and the second one doesn't have a shower, so it's more like a powder room. And here we are ending today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this apartment. I think it is a unique opportunity for someone that loves to have an historical property with nearly 500 years of history, which has been completely modernized and restored for today's luxury standards. The property can be used either as a pied-à-terre in Florence, also as a residence, or also great as an investment, because this is a very central location. A property like this can also be very profitable as an investment. Please remember that something like this to restore can take a few years of work and permits since its historical relevance. So to have it turnkey, to have all of the furnishings included is really a great opportunity and not easy to find. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing from you, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!